Thank you very much.
Ma'am, picture na, picture.
Offering a gift to someone who is appreciative of who you are is indeed a blessing we must treasure for life, as she would face challenges in life. This will also remind her that life is not always full of the journey of life. Okay, so here are the 7 people. Teacher Remelinda Tacazon. Okay.
Shania, my simple gift to you will remind you the importance of being with your family and loved ones. Always value and treasure the beautiful and wonderful moments you spend with your family. Make each day a memorable one. Be a good girl and show their family, especially to your parents, how you really love them. Always remember that beautiful memories are your true treasure that no one can take away from you. Live each day, love each day, enjoy each day that God has given you. God bless to your studies and to your whole family. Happy 7th birthday, Shania.
Oh, palakpakan tayo si Teacher Remelinda.
Ma'am, picture, ma'am.
Picture nga daw kay ma'am. Okay, be ready.
Everyone, happy 7th birthday, Shania. I wish you all the best in life, especially the harmony that life has to offer you. May God grant all your heart's desire and good health always. Tapos, I hope you'll enjoy my gift for you. Ang laman nito, alam ko, soon lilipad ka na, pero hindi ito pakpak. Okay, you can use this as you travel with your mommy and daddy, and I'm sure this will always give you comfort. Happy birthday! Happy 7th birthday! I wish you good health always, and saan ka man makarating, always remember that you are loved. Pinili ko tong gift na to kasi I know mahilig kang mag-picture, right? Diba? But hindi ito cellphone ha kasi mahal masyado yun. So ito, pinili ko kasi
7 people to give their wishes, starting with Mama Catherine Iton. So may I request the band that was to play the birthday song habang itino.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, tinggal, tinggal. Bilik Sanaya, dito bilik Sanaya.
Wish her the best of everything. And as you will be sharing them to her, make them very up above sorrow. She will be blessed, warm true love in her heart. These are the 7 people to give their wishes, starting with Mama Katrina Iton, or Catherine Iton rather.
Sanaya, as you celebrate your 7th birthday today, show all the best in life. Happy family, good health, success in your studies, and a peaceful life. I hope and pray that you, as you grow older, you become a good girl, loving and caring your family. And all the people who surround you, God bless you all the way. I love you.
I hope your seventh birthday will give you lots of happiness, lots of happy people and gifts, and lots of happy dreams. Happy birthday, Anna. Love you.
Seventh birthday. May you always be as bright and happy as you are today. God bless you always.
Mr. Shelley.
Exploring the world, keep following your dreams, and you'll see them come true. Happy birthday and God bless you. Good evening, everyone. Sanaya, you are so beautiful. Beautiful young lady. Sabi ba bakit ako? Stay healthy. Always make your mom and dad proud of you. And tanayin ko na ipa-feel ka ng mommy and daddy how much you love them. Yeah. Happy birthday, anak.
Thank you, Tita Marisol.
Happy birthday, Shai. Awanin na kunti niya mo para tingkat. Palayan good health, good balik color someday like your mom and dad. Wish you a good health and always happy and be a good girl. Always. Happy birthday, Shai! Happy birthday, baby! Sabay ko ba na habang ako na mamang hindi pa ako. Good health! Happy birthday, baby!
That the wizards are the ones to carry on her new role of existence, but let them out by birth and even fly away from the Delta. Can I call on the participants of 7 balloons? Awesome.
Picture.
Okay, picture.
Sir, picture, sir.
Walang kasangay, ni Shania, may kapito na tawid na. Yaman kaniya po. Thank you, and good night.
I love birthday parties. Hooray for the birthday today. Hooray for the party we're having. Hooray for the games that we'll play. Won't you join us in the fun? Hooray for the ice cream and cake. For the streamers and all the decorations. Hooray for this grand special day. And for the many more to come, congratulations. La 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 la, boom boom, bum bum, ra ra boom. La 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 la, boom boom, bum bum, ra ra boom. Hey! Hey! Ba 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 boom! Ba 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 boom! Let's give them a big hand! Hooray for the birthday today! Hooray for the party we're having! Hooray for the games that we'll play! Won't you join us in the fun? Hooray for the ice cream and cake! For the streamers and all the decorations. Hooray for this grand special day. And for the many more to come, congratulations. A cat had a birthday and all the cats came to eat a cat cake and to play a cat game, to open cat presents, and when they were through they said a happy birthday to Wake